In this video, I want to give us a step-by-step guide on how to get started with All I Invest. All I Invest is a well-known brokerage service that is part of All I Financials, offering a range of features and services for both self-directed and managed investing. Here, an overview of what this platform, the All I Invest platform, offers. And so key features of this platform include: number one, low trading cost or low cost trading. All I Invest provides a kind of zero commission, on online stock and exchange traded fund trades. Options trades have a competitive fee structure with no base commission at all. When it comes to option trading, the platform does not charge a commission. It only offers zero commission on stocks, on exchange traded funds. But when it comes to options, it attracts a competitive fees compared to other platforms. Number two, user-friendly platform. All I Invest offers an easy-to-use trading platform with both web and mobile access, including features like real-time quotes, as well as advanced charting tools. It has the capacity to generate charts. You can generate charts that will help you execute your trades. Not only that, the data there is real time. The stock prices indicated on the platform is exactly what is being generated from the stock exchange. Number three, wide range of investments. They have the All I Invest platform provides access to stocks, to exchange traded funds, to options, mutual funds, bonds, and other investment products. So you have that luxury, that liberty of choosing the particular platform you want, the particular product you want to trade on the All I Invest platform. It could be stocks, it could be bonds, it could be ETFs, mutual funds, whichever one you want to adopt. Number four is account types. It supports various account types, including individual brokerage account, which is a principal account that is opened for their clients, their brokerage clients. It equally has retirement accounts like IRA, as well as managed account. Managed accounts here means the company, the firm will manage the account for you, manage your trading for you without any input from you as the trader, as the investor. Number five, the research and analysis tools. This includes market research, analysis tools, and educational resources to help investors to make informed decisions. The platform provides market research, summarized market research. It gives you tools to carry out markets and securities analysis. And all these resources are there to help you to guide you in making an informed investment decision. Number six is a managed portfolios. All I Invest offers a robo-advisor. This service is known as All I Invest Managed Portfolios, which provide automated investment management based on your goal and risk tolerance. In this particular context here, they have a robo-advisor. A robo-advisor is a kind of, it's a non-human, it's a non-human financial advisor. Financial advisor. They call it robo-advisor. So they provide automated investment management based on your risk tolerance, based on your investment goal, and equally take into consideration your time horizon. Number 7, low account minimums. Typically has a low or no minimum deposits. Generally, they don't really have um, a, a higher amount you must deposit before you start trading. No, they typically no account balance. You could start with almost like a zero account balance. It's not required, making it accessible to new investors. New investors with this little capital can key into this particular feature, open an account with next to nothing, you know, when you're next to nothing in terms of capital. Then number 8, integration with all banks. It allows for seamless integration with all banks accounts for easy fund transfer and a unified view of your finances. This particular platform is integrated. Of course, it's owned by Ally. Ally Invest is owned by Ally Bank. So if you have an account with Ally Bank, you could seamlessly transfer your funds from your account to the brokerage accounts, to the market, from the market to the brokerage accounts, to your bank account. These are seamless, easy transition, easy, seamless and transaction, between the accounts are concerned. Number 9, customer support. Ola Invest provides customer service with support available throughout, through phones. It could be email, it could be through chats on their sites. You could chat them up, you discuss your problems. You can equally call them on phone or through email to be able to rectify issues that tend to bother you, or clarifies on matters that pertains to your investment or the trades you want to carry out. Please subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up, like this video, and it will do me a ton of good. Number 11 is cash management. This includes features for cash management such as competitive interest rates on uninvested cash. Normally when it comes to investment, you are expected to leave some money, some of your capital in cash. You may not be expected to put in your entire, capital 100% in securities. So whichever cash you want to keep aside could be kept in a kind of account managed by Ally Bank that could yield them a certain level of interest rate for you. Any cash you're not using, instead of lying idle in your brokerage account, you could transfer it to your Ally account, and then it would yield interest for you. Number 12, security. Implements strong security measures to protect user data and transaction, including encryption and two-factor authentication. Your investment is secure. Your account with Ally Invest is secure because of the 2 steps encryption they adopt, and the two-factor authentication that is designed to make sure that your account is secure. Additional benefit includes no hidden fee, transparent fee structure with no hidden charges, helping investors understand the cost involved. Not only that, regular updates. It provides updates and performs reports to keep you informed about your investment. They give regular updates as regards the status of your portfolio. And so these additional benefits, I think, could go a long way in making Ally Invest a go-to broker for beginning investors.